How to delete downloads on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. The iPhone Files app, a built-in iOS application, serves as a central hub for managing files on your device and in cloud storage. It allows users to view, organize, and share files from various locations, including local storage, iCloud Drive, and third-party cloud services like Dropbox and Google Drive. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Browse. After that, tap on My iPhone. Scroll down and open the download folder as shown. If you want to delete a file from here, then press and hold the file and tap on Delete. You have now successfully deleted this file. Following these steps, you can easily delete downloads on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.